Hey, this is Chase with Costa Boats on the 26 here today. On the 26s for your battery charging system, you'll always have a dedicated engine battery charger, and the plug for that's located on the leaning post right next to the battery switch door. And then you'll have a dedicated house battery charger that's just below the footrest on the console to the port side, and that charger will charge the house battery. And then if you have a trolling motor too, there's an onboard stealth charger that'll send additional voltage up to charge the trolling motor batteries too. So on top of the console, there's a glove box that has your USB chargers for your phones or any other devices you need to charge.